Welcome to our comprehensive guide to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the top cryptocurrencies. In this in-depth video, we'll dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, discussing the benefits, drawbacks, and potential of these digital assets. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, changed the financial landscape forever. Meanwhile, Ethereum has brought about a revolution with its smart contract functionality. But what exactly are the benefits and pitfalls of these leading cryptocurrencies? We'll explore them all in detail. Understanding the features, advantages, and disadvantages of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other leading cryptocurrencies can help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, this video aims to provide valuable insights into the dynamic world of digital currencies. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and share it with others who may find it beneficial. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions and guides. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, so please leave a comment below. Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin, often referred to as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. It was created by an unknown entity named Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and are recorded on a public ledger known as a blockchain. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, and the process of mining, which rewards participants with Bitcoin for solving complex mathematical problems, contributes to the circulation of new coins. Bitcoin's value derives from its potential uses, including facilitating peer-to-peer transactions and serving as a store of value, similar to gold. Advantages: high liquidity, widely accepted and recognized, strong potential as a store of value, secured by the robustness of its decentralized and open-source network. Disadvantages: high volatility, slow transaction times, relatively high transaction fees, and high energy consumption for mining. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform developed by Vitalik Buterin that features smart contract functionality. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code, removing the need for a middleman. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether, facilitates these contracts and transactions within the network. Ethereum has also paved the way for a new generation of applications, called decentralized applications, dApps, built on its platform. Advantages: provides a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, high liquidity, and a strong development community. Disadvantages: network congestion leading to high transaction fees. Although Ethereum 2.0 aims to address this, scalability issues, and complex understanding for non-technical users. Litecoin, LTC, created by Charlie Lee in 2011, Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that was born out of an early fork of the Bitcoin core client. It was developed with the aim to process a block every 2.5 minutes, compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes, allowing for faster transaction confirmation times. In addition, it uses the script as a proof-of-work algorithm, which allows for mining to be more accessible to different types of hardware. Litecoin's supply limit is 84 million coins, 4 times that of Bitcoin. Advantages: faster transaction confirmation times, higher total supply limit, accessible mining due to script algorithm. Disadvantages: often lives in the shadow of Bitcoin, limited differentiation from Bitcoin beyond technical differences, less adoption compared to BTC and ETH. Ripple, XRP. Ripple, developed by Ripple Labs, serves both as a digital payment protocol and a cryptocurrency. Its digital payment protocol operates on an open-source and peer-to-peer decentralized platform that allows seamless transfer of money in any form, including its native cryptocurrency, XRP. Ripple aims to enable secure, instant, and low-cost international money transfers. The system is unique in its use of a consensus ledger for validating account balances and transactions, which does not require time-consuming mining. Advantages: fast, low-cost international money transfers, strong relationships with financial institutions, not mined, hence less energy-intensive. Disadvantages: centralization concerns due to control by Ripple Labs, legal issues with the SEC, and less adoption for individual peer-to-peer transactions. Cardano, ADA, Cardano is a third-generation blockchain platform with an emphasis on scientific philosophy and a research-driven approach. It aims to solve some of the most pressing issues faced by first-generation and second-generation blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, namely scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. Cardano's blockchain is uniquely built on a layered architecture, separating the ledger of account values from the reason why values are moved from one account to the other. This separation is intended to make smart contracts safer. Advantages: strong academic and research-first approach, two-layer architecture to ensure scalability and security, potential for strong interoperability. Disadvantages: still under development with many features not yet launched, less adoption compared to older cryptocurrencies, and complex technology might deter some users. Polkadot DOT. Polkadot is an open-source, multi-kind protocol designed to facilitate the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type. By allowing different blockchains to interoperate, it aims to create a fully decentralized and private web, controlled by its users. Its native token, DOGE, serves three distinct purposes: network governance, staking, and bonding. Advantages: allows for interoperability between various blockchains, scalability, and user-driven network governance. Disadvantages: still in the early stages of development, security concerns due to reliance on a shared security model, less established than competitors. Chainlink LINK. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network that enables smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Chainlink aims to bridge the gap between blockchain technology and the outside world. Its native token, LINK, is used to pay for services on the network. Advantages: connects smart contracts with real-world data, provides a critical piece of infrastructure for decentralized applications, dApps, and strong partnerships. Disadvantages: dependent on data providers for information, the potential for centralization in node operators, and competition from other Oracle services. Stellar XLM. Stellar is an open-source, decentralized protocol for digital currency to fiat money transfers, enabling cross-border transactions between any pair of currencies. It was created by Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb and launched in 2014. The Stellar network operates with its native asset, Lumens XLM. Stellar's consensus protocol is different from proof of work in that it allows and requires individual nodes to choose the set of other nodes they trust as a group, quorum slice, to give them accurate information about the state of the Stellar network. Advantages: fast, low-cost international transactions, great for micropayments and remittances, increased decentralization due to unique consensus algorithm. Disadvantages: increased competition in its use case, cross-border transactions, centralization concerns due to control by Stellar Development Foundation, less widely adopted compared to some competitors. Binance Coin BNB. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency launched by the Binance Exchange, which is one of the largest and most respected in the cryptocurrency sector. Initially created on the Ethereum blockchain, Binance Coin transitioned to Binance's own blockchain, Binance Chain, in 2019. BNB can be used to pay transaction fees within the Binance Exchange, participate in token sales, and more. Binance conducts a quarterly coin burn, which has helped BNB maintain its value. Advantages: reduced transaction fees on Binance, strong use case within the Binance ecosystem, and Binance's regular coin burn can increase value. Disadvantages: centralized, heavily dependent on the success of Binance Exchange, regulatory scrutiny. Dogecoin DOGE. Originally created as a meme or joke cryptocurrency, Dogecoin was developed by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in December 2013. Despite its meme status, Dogecoin has a very active community and is commonly used for tipping content creators online for quality content. It is an inflationary cryptocurrency, meaning there is no maximum limit to the number of coins in circulation. In these cryptocurrencies, the standard underlying technology is blockchain, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. However, each cryptocurrency and its associated blockchain network has unique features and functionality, varying transaction speeds and consensus mechanisms, as well as different use cases and values. Understanding these factors can help you evaluate their potential. Advantages: highly recognized and popular, strong community, low transaction fees. Disadvantages: initially created as a meme, joke, an inflationary coin with unlimited supply, lacks development compared to other cryptocurrencies. Uniswap UNI. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike traditional exchanges, which rely on order books to match buyers and sellers, Uniswap uses an automated liquidity protocol. This allows the platform to facilitate trades directly between users in a trustless manner. UNI is the governance token of the Uniswap platform, and holders can vote on decisions that impact the platform's development. Advantages: facilitates decentralized trading and liquidity provision. Holders can vote on governance issues, and strong market position in DEXs. Disadvantages: smart contract risk, susceptible to impermanent loss, competition from other DEXs. RAVE. RAVE is an open-source, non-custodial DeFi protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers can borrow in an over-collateralized or under-collateralized manner. RAVE is the native token of the platform, and it's used for governance decisions and as a safety module. Advantages: allows earning interest on deposits and borrowing assets, decentralized and open source. Disadvantages: smart contract risk, dependent on the health of the overall DeFi ecosystem, regulatory scrutiny. Compound, COMP. Compound is a DeFi lending platform that allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by depositing them into one of several pools supported by the platform. Users who deposit tokens to a compound pool receive C tokens in return. These C tokens represent the individual's stake in the pool and can be used to redeem the underlying cryptocurrency initially deposited into the pool at any time. COMP is the native token of the platform and is used to make governance decisions. Advantages: earn interest on cryptocurrency deposits, decentralized, high level of transparency. Disadvantages: vulnerability to smart contract failure, dependent on the overall health of the DeFi ecosystem, and regulatory scrutiny. Yearn Finance, YFI. Yearn Finance is a suite of products in decentralized finance, DeFi, that provides lending aggregation, yield farming, and insurance on the Ethereum blockchain. The protocol is maintained by various independent developers and is governed by YFI holders. YFI is the native token in the Yearn ecosystem that allows users to vote on important governance issues. Advantages: suite of high-yielding DeFi products, highly decentralized, holders can vote on governance issues. Disadvantages: high complexity and risk, subject to volatility in the DeFi market, lack of insurance on deposited funds. MakerDAO, MKR and DAI. MakerDAO is a decentralized credit platform on Ethereum that supports DAI, a stable coin whose value is pegged to USD and which is backed in ETH or BAT. Users can open a vault, lock in collateral, and generate DAI. MKR is the governance token of the MakerDAO and Maker protocol. Those who hold MKR make decisions pertaining to the Maker platform's risk parameters. The world of cryptocurrencies is vast and ever-evolving. Each of these cryptocurrencies not only serves as a digital currency but also fuels its own unique ecosystem, creating a wide array of use cases from governance and lending to liquidity provision and insurance. Advantages: DAI provides a stable value compared to other cryptocurrencies. MKR allows holders to participate in governance, and opens access to DeFi. Disadvantages: complex system that may deter some users, vulnerability to extreme market events, regulatory scrutiny. That's it for today's in-depth discussion on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top cryptocurrencies. We hope that this has provided you with valuable insights and a deeper understanding of the pros and cons of each. Don't forget, investing always carries risk, so make sure to do your own research and consider your financial situation carefully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it beneficial. We truly appreciate your support. We're always eager to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please leave a comment below. Have you invested in any of these cryptocurrencies? What has your experience been like? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. We cover a range of topics related to cryptocurrencies and investing, so there's always something new to learn. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in part 3 for the risks, benefits, and potential returns of crypto investing.